Let's see, Sam. Let's see. Let's see your face. Hi, Sam. Hi, baby. Hi. Can you show everyone you're rolling over your new trick? You can do it. Let's see. Hi, baby. Let's see. Let's see. Show everyone your new rolling over trick.
The more you roll, the more bubbles you get, huh?
Come on.
Keep rubbing. Look at all the bubbles you get. Keep rubbing.
Let's see.
Good girl.
You roll over. Hi.
Ready to rinse them off?
Let's see.
Make sure you get all of them. Good girl. This one's still got bubbles. Bubbles. Oh. Wow. It's so clean. No, nice and clean.
Hi.
Can you turn off the sink?
Oh.
Can you reach that?
Show everyone how you roll over.
There you go. Oh.
You can do it. You can do it.
You hungry? You want some watermelon and Cheerios?
Oh, you tired? Mommy made you roll over too many times.
Did you get it?
Yay! You did it! Yay! You did it! What? Where's your big smile? Sydney, you gonna give Sam a kiss? Can you give Sam a kiss? Give the baby a kiss. Aww. Aw, such a good big sister. Say hi. Aw, good girl, Sid.